Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're going to be working on SAM project. It's chapter 16, SAM project 1A. So let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is work on the monthly analysis worksheet. Let's click here and we are going to want to change it to style 6. So let's go to design and click on style 6. So now we want to add a chart title. So if we go to design and go to add chart element, we can see here we can add the chart title above chart. So let's change this and write monthly participation by class. Alright, next we want to reposition the chart legend to appear in the top position. So let's go back and click into our chart, then go to design, add chart element, and here we could work on a legend so it could be on the top side if you click on top. Okay, now we want to add major primary vertical grid lines. So we could just add chart element again, grid lines, add primary major vertical ones. Okay, and so now we want to modify the vertical axis options. So we want to just go here, double click, and here we could work on our axis options. If you click the axis options over here, so the maximum bond value has to be 850. Go 850 here, press enter, and the minimum bond value should be 0, 0, enter. And we want to set the major unit values to 50. 50 and enter. Also, we want to change the number category of the vertical axis to number. So we just go down here to number, category, and change it to number. Alright, so now that we're done with here, we're going to go to usage data. So let's close out of here and zoom out a little bit. Alright, and now we want to select range N5 to N9. N5 to N9. And we want to insert data bar using gradient fill. Light blue data bar. Okay, so that's at home, conditional formatting, data bars, the light blue data bar. Click on that, and let's go back so we could change the rule since we have to set a conditional formatting rule to 8000. So we just change automatically to number, and here we could type in 8000. Press OK, and we should be done with that. So now we want to select ranges 05 to 09, which is right here, and insert line spark lines. So we go to insert under ribbon, go to line, and now we have to select the data range. So the data range for this one is B5 to N9, B5 to M9. Right, press OK. And now we want to change the style of spark lines to sparkline style colorful number 5. So we just press down here. We have all different options we could pick from, but we want this one right here in the bottom, sparkline style colorful number 5. Click on that. And next we want to select the non-adjacent range A5, A9, N5, N9, and insert a 2D pie chart. So we want to click on A5 to A9, highlight it. Then I'm going to press Control. I'm going to highlight N5 to N9 here, and insert a 2D pie chart. So we go to Insert, right here, insert this pie chart. And what we want to do is we want to move it so that the top left corner is hitting A12. So right here, and the bottom right is in F29. So let's go down here and move it to F29. Alright, that should be good. So we want to edit the chart title, so just click on chart title, and we're going to change this to total annual class participation. And we also want to change the font to 12. So let's highlight it all. Go here, press 12, enter. Alright, and now uh, we want to reposition the pie chart's legend to be in the left of the chart. So we click back here, go to design, add chart element, and here if we find the legend and we can edit it so it can be on the left side. Click left and we should be done with that. Alright, so let's see what we have to do now. So we want to add data labels to the chart with the following options. Alright, so what we do here is we just click back and go to design, add chart element, and data labels is right here, the second option. We have to go to outside end this time. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to modify it. So just double click it, any one of these percentages, and what it does is that it brings up the formatting options. We want to unclick value and click percentage, and we can also unclick the show leader lines. So we also want to change the label number category to percentage. So that is down here, and here we could go to percentages as well, and we could change it to the 0 decimal places. Okay, press enter, and we should have it like this now. So now we want to select the non-adjacent ranges B4 to M4, B9, M10, and insert a 2D line graph. So B4 is right here. Let's exit out this first. So B4 to M4. Then I'm going to press Control so I can highlight B10 to M10. Now we want to insert a line chart. So we go here, and here, if we press this, we can insert a line chart. So go here, and a line chart appears. So what we want to do next is that we want to edit the title of the line chart. So it would be, actually first we want to move this line chart. So it's in cell G12. So that's right here. And the bottom right should be in O29. So right here. Okay. Then I want to change the title of the line chart. So let's do what we did before, click into it and change it to total monthly class participation. And now we want to also change the font, so we highlight everything and here we press 12, enter. And next we want to add primary vertical axis title. So we click here, design, add chart element, chart title, axis title is right here, primary vertical. Alright, and then we have to change it to month. So highlight all and type in month, press enter. And next we want to also add a horizontal one. Actually, I'm sorry, I read it wrong. This one is supposed to be participants. And the horizontal is supposed to be
Auto shutdown initiated.
horizontal is supposed to be month, so we can add another axis title, primary horizontal, and here we gonna type in months, press enter. Okay, so now what we want to do next is that we want to modify the vertical axis options. So to do this, we want to click on this like we did before, double click it, and we could go to text options up here. Hold on, let me click into it again. Here, you have to click it once and then you click it twice. We go here, And in the axis options, we could change the minimums and maximums. So we want to set the major unit values to 150. Press 150, enter. And we want to set the minimum of bounds values to 750, which is right here. 750, enter. And if necessary, set the maximum bounds values to 2250, which is already set for us. So we exit out of here, and the last step is to add primary major vertical grid lines. So for this, we just go back to chart element and go to grid lines and add primary major vertical ones. So after that, we're all set, and we could go ahead and submit our work. And that'll be all. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and smash that like button. Peace.